Hello guys. I'm saying this hello three times because this is going to be the last video about Jenkins, and after this I'm going to start the interview questions, preparation for the interview on Jenkins, okay? So let's get started guys. In this video we are going to discuss about how to install Jenkins on CentOS. So what are the commands which you have to run in your machine to install Jenkins? First, sudo yum install JDK Java 1.8 OpenJDK. So you have to install Java. It's a prerequisite. If you have not installed Java in your system, then Jenkins will not work. Okay. What's the second command? Install silent location http package.jenkins.ci.org Red Hat stable jenkins.repo. What we are doing in this step, we are pulling the repo Jenkins repo to our repository, which is located at etc/yum.repos.de/Jenkins repo. We are pulling the Jenkins repo, and after that we are rpm import this key, Jenkins key. Okay, and after importing the key, we are simply writing yum install Jenkins, and then we are starting the Jenkins. Okay, in my practical session I'm going to explain you how we have to set up the Jenkins, how we have to create the jobs, how we manage users, how we can change the UI colors, how we can modify the users security, what all the things I'm going to explain in a practical session, which I'm going to start after this video. After the interview questions, I'm going to start that practical sessions also. Okay guys, so let's go to the summary of the course, what all we did in the previous 6 or 7 videos, what all we learned. What is Jenkins? What is the Jenkins architecture? Use cases of Jenkins, its advantages, types of jobs, freestyle versus pipeline jobs, how to install Jenkins. And if you want to read up more about Jenkins, this is the official documentary. You can read from official documents of Jenkins if you are by going to https www.jenkins.io/doc. I will be pasting this link in the description of this video also, so that you can go to this link and read more about Jenkins. Thank you guys. I hope you liked our course. Stay tuned with us, like this video, subscribe our channel so that you can learn and grow with us. Become a cloud engineer, become a DevOps engineer, become a DevSops engineer. Okay guys, so let's meet up in the next video. Thank you guys.